Have you ever wondered how people make money by buying stocks, or what the stock market really is? You've probably heard names like Wall Street, NASDAQ, or bull and bear markets. But what do they actually mean? Stock trading is the process of buying and selling shares of ownership in companies. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of a company like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. If that company grows and becomes more valuable, the price of your stock usually rises, allowing you to sell it for a profit. But stock trading is more than just numbers on a screen. It's a powerful engine behind global economies. It helps companies raise money to build products, hire people, and innovate. It also gives everyday people like you the chance to grow your wealth, build financial independence, and become more engaged with how the world works economically. Over the last few decades, stock trading has evolved from shouting on the trading floor to fast, digital platforms available on your phone. Today, anyone with a bit of curiosity, a small amount of money, and the willingness to learn can participate. In this journey, you'll learn what stock trading is and how it works, why people trade stocks, how to buy and sell shares, the difference between short-term trading and long-term investing, the risks involved, and how to manage them, and most importantly, how to start smart and stay informed. Whether your goal is to make quick profits, build wealth for retirement, or simply understand how the world of money moves, learning stock trading is a valuable skill in today's fast-changing financial world. Let's break it down simply and start your journey with confidence.
What is stock trading? In this guide, we'll deeply explore stock trading in a way that's accessible and meaningful for beginners. We'll begin by answering key WH questions like, what is stock trading? Why does it exist? How did it start? Who does it involve? Where does it happen? And when did it all begin? Then we'll move into how stock trading has evolved, how it works today, and where it might go in the future. We'll also discuss why it's important to understand stock trading, especially in today's digital economy, and how someone new can begin their journey responsibly. By the end, you should have a clear and confident grasp of what stock trading is and how it fits into the broader world of finance and personal growth. What is stock trading? Stock trading is the buying and selling of shares of publicly traded companies on a stock exchange. When you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a tiny ownership slice of a company. If the company performs well, the value of your stock can rise, and you may earn a profit. If it does poorly, the value can fall. But stock trading is more than just a simple exchange. It's a powerful mechanism that connects businesses with investors, helps companies raise capital, and enables individuals to grow their wealth. Why does stock trading exist? Stock trading exists to facilitate the exchange of ownership in companies and to help businesses raise money. Companies sell shares of stock to the public through a process called an initial public offering, IPO. In return, they get capital to grow, expand, or innovate. Investors, on the other hand, get the opportunity to profit from the success of those companies. This mutual benefit is why stock trading has become such a critical part of modern economies. When did stock trading begin? The roots of stock trading go back more than 400 years. The first formal stock market was established in Amsterdam in 1602 when the Dutch East India Company issued shares to the public. This was the birth of the idea that people could pool their money to fund large ventures and share in the profits or losses. Stock trading gained major ground during the 18th and 19th centuries, particularly in London and New York. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, was formed in 1792 under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street, and it eventually became the world's most powerful stock market. Who is involved in stock trading? Stock trading involves a wide range of participants: retail investors, everyday individuals like you and me; institutional investors, banks, hedge funds, pension funds; stockbrokers, middlemen who execute trades for clients; market makers, entities that ensure there's always a buyer or seller; regulators like the SEC in the US, who monitor fairness and transparency. All of these players together ensure that the market works efficiently and that prices reflect the underlying value of companies. Where does stock trading happen? Historically, stock trading took place on the floor of an exchange, such as the NYSE. Traders would shout orders and negotiate in persona practice called open outcry. Today, almost all trading is done electronically through platforms that match buyers and sellers in milliseconds. Exchanges are still central, but now they exist mostly as digital ecosystems, such as New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ, London Stock Exchange, LSE, Tokyo Stock Exchange, TSE. You can access them from anywhere via online brokers and apps. How has stock trading evolved? The evolution of stock trading has been shaped by technology, regulation, and globalization. Early days. Manual, face-to-face trades, 1970s, 1990s. Introduction of computer-based trading, 2000s. Rise of online brokers like E-Trade and Charles Schwab, 2010s, 2020s. Explosion of mobile trading apps, e.g. Robinhood, fractional shares, and algorithmic trading. Present day. Integration of AI, real-time data, and global market access. It's now easier than ever for beginners to get started. What does the future of stock trading look like? Stock trading is heading toward even more accessibility, speed, and personalization. Key trends include AI-driven trading that helps analyze markets or manage portfolios, decentralized finance, DeFi, possibly allowing peer-to-peer stock exchanges without centralized intermediaries, tokenization of assets, where even real estate or art can be traded like stocks, gamification, blending investing with user-friendly, interactive platforms. At the same time, there's a growing need for financial education and ethical responsibility, as easy access can sometimes lead to. Why should you understand stock trading? Understanding stock trading is important for several reasons. 1. Empowerment. It puts you in control of your financial future. 2. Wealth building. Long-term investing in stocks has historically outperformed many other assets. 3. Economic awareness. You begin to understand how businesses, economies, and money work. 4. Smart decision-making. With basic knowledge, you can avoid scams, bad advice, and poor investments. Even if you don't want to become a full-time trader, knowing the basics can help you make better financial choices. How can a beginner start stock trading? If you're new to stock trading, here's a step-by-step path. 1. Educate yourself. Read books. Follow news, take free courses, and ask questions. 2. Choose a broker. Pick a user-friendly, low-fee platform, e.g. Fidelity, Robinhood, Zerodha, etc. 3. Open a trading account. Often takes only minutes with online verification. 4. Start small. Begin with small investments while you learn. 5. Practice, try demo accounts or paper trading before using real money. 6. Follow the markets. Read business news, watch earnings reports, learn from trends. 7. Create a plan. Decide on your goals, risk tolerance, and strategy. 8. Avoid hype. Don't follow hot tips blindly. Trust your research. Most importantly, be patient. Stock trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that develops over time. Final thoughts. Stock trading is one of the most powerful tools of modern finance. It connects people to opportunities, ideas to capital, and ambition to reality. While it has risks, especially for those who jump in unprepared, it also offers incredible potential for growth and learning. Whether you want to build wealth, understand the economy, or simply become financially literate, knowing how stock trading works is an essential step in that journey.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Your support means the world to me and helps the channel grow. Stay tuned for more videos, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.